Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make this exquisite pork belly dish called Shao Rou, or red braised pork. It's a comforting and stick to your ribs kind of a dish with aromatic flavors delivered through fatty cuts of pork that will surely melt in your mouth. So let's get started cooking. The heart of Shao Rou is tender pork belly coated in a glossy soy-based sauce. The ingredients are few but important, as each has a part to play. The dry spices and ginger bring the fragrance and depth of flavor. The rock sugar adds sweetness and a glossy finish. The dark and light soy sauces bring the necessary saltiness and color. And of course, there's the pork belly, a cut of meat from the pig's belly where the layers of fat and lean mingle together for a tender and rich mouthfeel. Some Shao Rou recipes require blanching the pork, but I don't think it's necessary here. So we go straight into the casserole pot with the cut pork and fry over medium-high heat with a little bit of added oil. Stir fry for a few minutes and let the fat render out of the pork belly pieces. As I said, this is a rich dish, but it doesn't mean we have to eat all of the fat from the pork belly. So I like to remove some of the render fat out now and set it aside for adding to stir-fried vegetables or noodles. After that, add in your rock sugar and Shaoxing rice cooking wine and continue to caramelize the meat. While the flavor profile of Shao Rou is sweet and salty, in Sichuan we like to sneak in that dried chili and shrimp peppercorns for an extra hint of added fragrance and heat. Toast the spices and aromatic with the meat to bring out its natural flavors before adding in the light and dark soy sauces and just enough water to cover the meat. I suggest that you cook this dish in a smaller pot that has a lid that doesn't let steam escape too quickly, so that your meat will cook until fall apart tender before the liquids have disappeared. Once it has come up to a rolling boil, clamp on the lid and turn the heat down to medium-low to simmer. Let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes covered, or until you can cut the pork belly easily with just a pair of chopsticks. Optional but recommended is to remove all the dry spices and ginger now before cooking it on high heat, uncovered, to thicken the sauce and make it glossy. When it's ready, the pork should be soft but still hold its shape. The fat turns silky, the meat is tender, and the sauce is rich and aromatic. Serve it with plain rice and some vegetables to balance the flavors, and soak up every drop of that beautiful sauce. As always, you can find the full written recipe on my website, yunsfamilytable.com. If you like this recipe, give this video a like, and if you tried it, let me know how it went. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more home cooking recipes like this. Until next time, happy cooking!